Today we're going to talk about the calendar. We're going to use a lot of different words. We're not going to talk about months, but we are going to talk about days today. We have 7 days, 12 months, but today we're going to talk about 12 days. We're going to talk together about the calendar. So we're going to talk a lot of English today. You're going to have 2 circles. Some of you are going to be on the outside of the circle. And you're going to talk with a friend. You're going to have a word. You're going to ask what the word is, and you're going to spell the word together. Okay, a lot of English. You're going to accomplish a lot of great things today. We've been talking about this, so you should know these words. I think everybody knows these words. So you're going to have a word. Everyone will have a day word. And we're going to stand in 2 circles. So you will come out of your chair, and you're going to stand in 2 circles. Some of you are going to be looking out. Some of you are going to be looking in. But you will only talk to one person at a time. All right? How many students do we have today? Students?
11.
9.
Okay. So we will have 5 people in the middle, 5 people on the outside. If you're standing on the outside, you're going to look into the middle. If you're standing in the middle, you're going to look outside. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay?
Yes.
Let's do it. Yep, so I said you're going to be in 2 circles. Some of you in the middle are going to be looking out, and the ones on the outside are going to be looking in. So I need 2 of them.
Sunday.
Sunday. What is the first letter?
S.
What is the sound? Sunday. Is this a day or a month?
Day.
Day. How many days?
7 days.
7 days. What 2 letters?
TH.
TH. What sound? What day? Thursday. Sat. Yeah, sat. What day?
Saturday.
Saturday. How many days?
7 days.
7 days. How many students?
9.
9. So I will help. We need the same number. I need 5 students talking to 5 students. Okay? Today, we will speak in a circle. In a circle. Okay? I need 5 people in the middle. I need 5 people outside. Okay? 2 questions today. 2 questions today. What is question number 1? What?
Day.
Yep.
1 day.
Yep. Do you have? Every day we ask, what do you have? And today we will talk about days. Days. So we will say, what day do you have? And what is question 2? Yes. Spell it. Yeah. Spell it. Okay. So 2 questions. Every student will have 1 day. Okay? Let me give you a day. 10 people. 10 words. Okay? Let me show you. First, this is the question. I ask question 1. Tani, let's come over here. What day do you have?
I have Monday.
Spell it.
M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday.
Okay.
What day do you have?
I have Wednesday.
How do you spell it?
W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y.
Okay.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mohabbat, Abdirazak, Tani. Okay. Mohabbat and Tani. Can you stand here? You and I. What day do you have?
I have Monday.
Spell it.
Monday.
Good.
Teacher, what day do you have?
I have Monday.
How do you spell?
Monday. Okay? Trade papers. Now,
The same.
today, no 2 lines. Today, we will do 2 circles. Okay? How many people?
4. 3.
3. I need 2 more people. Okay? Bang B, will you come? Now, we have 1 circle. This circle is inside. Now we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people to stand in front of 1 friend. Lavi, you speak. Wait, no, not yet. Wait for the magic sound. Lavi, Abdirazak, Shua, Tani, Mohabbat, Mimi, you will speak. I will speak with my friend Bangbi. Heblu and Lu, you will speak. 2 questions, trade papers, but do not move. Wait for the sound. Okay? When you hear, you, Mimi, Lavi, Shua, Mimi, Teacher Barbara, Heblu, we will step 1 friend to the left and speak with a new partner. Okay? So, what do you do first? Wait, Tani. What will you do first? The month. You ask, or the day, not the month. Ask the question, what is question number 1? What day do you have? What is question number 2? Spell it. Okay. So 1 person, boom. Your friend, boom. What do you do after that? Change the papers. Change the papers. And what do you do after that? What do you listen for? Can you just move? Or do you wait? Do you wait for the sound? Okay. When you hear the sound, step 1 person or step 2 people? 1 person, yeah. Step 1 person. Let's try. Go ahead and start. What day do you have?
Sunday.
How do you
Wednesday.
Turday.
Good. Trade papers. Trade papers.
I have
Sunday.
Wednesday.
So we're going to practice talking. And when we're talking, we are going to make our voices go up and down. Okay. Will you come and demonstrate with me? All right. So what does my paper say? Office. Okay. Excuse me, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Where's the elevator?
Go up the ramp, out the door, and go left.
Oh, so we'll go up the ramp, out the door, and go left.
I believe so.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Go
So now,
up the round.
she needs to ask me.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Can I ask you a question?
Oh, sure, what?
Where's the office?
Oh, the office. Go up the ramp, go out the door, and turn right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. So now, okay. Can you stand up? Okay. All right. So what do I need to say to her? What do I say? Excuse me, can I ask you a question? Sure. Where's the elevator?
Go up the ramp.
Mm-hmm. Go up the ramp.
Go up the ramp. Go up the ramp.
Mm-hmm.
Go left.
Go left. Left. And turn left. So go up the ramp and turn left. Okay. Oh, so go up the ramp and turn left?
Turn right.
Go straight.
Go straight, turn right.
Okay.
Go to upstairs.
And go upstairs. Thank you. All right. Now she has to ask me. What's your question? Can you help me? Can you help?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure.
Where is the library?
Ooh, the library. Okay. Go up the ramp. Go out the door. Go down the hallway. And then go upstairs. You're welcome. All right. And so I need to talk to one more person because I need to talk to 3 people. Oh, excuse me. Can I ask you a question? Where's the elevator?
Go
Up the ramp.
Out the door.
yeah, go straight,
Mm-hmm.
go right,
Mm-hmm. And turn right.
turn right, go right, yeah, door is go upstairs.
And go upstairs. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, and then what does she have to ask me?
Excuse me,
Mm-hmm.
help me.
Can you help
Can you help me?
me?
Yeah.
Can you help me?
Yeah.
Of course.
Where is office?
Oh, the office. Go up the ramp,
Going up the ramp,
go out the door,
the door,
and turn right.
and turn right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, nice job. Here, so you can keep that. So everybody is going to get a paper. So everybody,
Oh, okay. Sorry.
so we are going to stand up. Can you please stand up? Everybody please stand up. Do you have your paper? Yes. Okay. So you are going to talk to 3 people. Not the person next to you. So can these 2 people talk? Can they talk together?
No.
No.
Can they talk together? Yes. Yeah. So you cannot talk to your neighbor. You have to talk to 3 different people. 3 different people. How many people will you talk to? Three people. Can you talk to the person next to you?
No, never.
No. They have to be across.
Yeah.
And what will you say?
What?
Excuse me. Can you help me? Yep. Can you help me? And then your partner will say, oh, that's good. Can I ask you a question?
I can ask. Yes.
And then he'll say, yes. Yes, of course. Of course. Okay. Sure. And then you say, where?
Where is the
Elevator.
That is the office.
Okay. And then you can give directions. And then you say,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
And your partner will say, you're welcome. Okay. We're going to talk
Right.
for 5 minutes. What language are you going to speak? English. Do you think we can do it? 5 minutes?
Yes.
Only English?
Yes.
We will listen. We'll come around. Okay. All right. So talk to 3 people from across. So everybody, we're going to walk around. We can walk around. How do you say? Can you say that in English?
Yeah.
Say, please come here. Yeah. Please come here. Awesome. Try English. Okay. Oh, so you two can talk. Yeah.
Excuse me. Hi. How can I? Excuse me. I can.
Sure. What do you need?
I need elevator.
Elevator. Okay. So elevator. Go up the ramp. Go down the hallway. And
asking your question.